12 tips for overcoming anxiety. Anxiety is part of the human condition. Try to find someone that never feels anxiety. Some people are more resistant to anxiety than others, but everyone can strengthen their ability to manage anxious feelings. Developing a high level of anxiety is a skill. Lowering anxiety is a skill too. The key to managing anxiety is to begin minimizing it as soon as possible after it hits you. The more it builds, the more challenging it is to control. Deal with anxiety quickly and easily. Break your day into small chunks. Only worry about the small amount of time in front of you. If you're sitting in a meeting at 9 a.m., there's no reason to worry about how you're going to pay the electric bill or what you're going to have for dinner. Take the day 1 minute at a time and keep your attention on that minute. Create a mantra and use it. Have a positive and uplifting phrase you repeat to yourself. You'll eventually start to believe it and you'll block any negative self-talk. I'm happy and capable of handling any situation. My life is filled with joy and positive energy. Exercise. The quickest way to relieve anxiety is to exercise enough to sweat. A casual walk is better than nothing, but to get the greatest benefit, it's necessary to get your heart beating hard. Make use of distractions. Distractions never solve the underlying issue, but can provide relief. Watch a movie, play cards, or do a crossword. Spend time with a close friend. Give yourself a break and put your focus elsewhere. Keep going. Anxiety occurs because some part of your brain is trying to stop you from taking action. It has learned that it can control you by making you feel miserable. You can minimize the anxiety you feel by plowing ahead. Your brain will learn that making you feel anxious doesn't work. Give yourself 20 minutes to worry each day. Schedule your worry time. You'll find yourself less inclined to worry during the other 23+ hours of the day. Change your environment. Get out of your current environment and give yourself a change of scenery. Go to the park or spend some time at the coffee shop. Spend an hour window shopping. Shake things up a bit. Spend time with your pet. If you have a dog, you already know how comforting they can be. Sit on the floor and have a heart-to-heart with your favorite pet. How could you not feel better? Write in a journal. Get your anxiety out of your head and down on paper. There's something cathartic about writing when you're stressed. Make a habit of writing about your life each day. Find the right scent. The right scent can be soothing. Take a trip to the candle store and find something that makes you feel good when you smell it. Find a hobby that requires concentration. It could be chess, playing the piano, or knitting. It doesn't matter what the hobby is as long as you enjoy it and it commands your complete attention. It can be a great way to spend your downtime. Visualize. Visualize something positive. Daydream about Maui or remember a positive experience from the past. Imagine your perfect day. Dealing with anxiety is important. Successful people are successful due to their ability to manage anxiety successfully. When you feel worry begin to build, deal with it immediately. A high level of anxiety is very challenging to manage. Develop a list of strategies that can be implemented quickly when anxiety first appears. Thanks for watching our video. Please leave a comment, hit the like button, and share our video. Be good to yourself, and stay healthy.